super fun. But it can be tedious when you have a million options to choose from. And that's why I'm here to help. Hi, I'm Sumita Majumdar and today I'll be talking about Noise Sense Neckband earphone. This earphone comes with a total playtime of 25 hours. So that means your music never has to stop. It comes with a built-in mic, so that means you get a smooth, hands-free communication. It also comes with an IPX5 rating, and what that means is that your device is sweat and water resistant. It also comes with voice assistant support, so that means you can get hold of your favorite voice assistant with just the touch of a button. Because of its super fast charge technology, your device is going to get charged in just an instant and you're good to go. Also, because of its 10mm drivers, you get an immersive sound. That's all for this product. Hope you make the right choice. Happy shopping! Bye-bye!